All right, part two. I remember to have a separate effects pedal. This is a Digitech BP 355. I've not used it in a long time. Again, don't use a lot of effects, but I've got some presets. I've got some stuff. I want to see what happens. So here we go. Let's see. That's cool. All right, let's see what else we got. Whoa, hey. Oh, this is picking up my voice. Hello. Woo. That's cool. All right. Impractical, but fun. Let's see what else we got. Wait, here we go. Kind of cool. What else? Oh, feedback. Hold on. All right. Where's the weird stuff? No. Ooh. Yeah. Come on. I want the weird stuff. That's not bad. Ooh. Ooh. That's kind of cool. All right, what else? Eh. Ooh. Oh, what is that? It's a wah-wah. Kind of cool. Phaser, cool. Whoa! What is that? Dig it. Oh shit. Yeah. My last name is Hendricks, so feedback appropriate. Okay, I'm annoying myself at this point. I like that. I'm gonna save that preset. Sirens in the background. I think I've alerted the noise police. What else we got? That one's weird. Simple phaser. Whoa, what is that? All right, hold on. Kind of cool. Kind of cool. Cool. I don't know. Just I don't know. I'm really surprised at the bass response on that pseudo kick drum. Oh. Couple more. Whoa, what's that? I'm having a hard time figuring out the timing on this. Back to that one. Not on this video because I'm sure you're already bored. Is anybody still watching this? Hope so, otherwise you would have missed this. I'm giving up bass. I'm just going to do this from now on. What else we got? Whoa, what's that? Whoa, that's just noise. All right, hold on. Whoop, whoop, stop it. Ah, it's too much. See, that's why I do this here and not home, because Nicole would murder me. Nothing there. strange, but I dig it. All right, what else we got? Kind of cool. Nothing there. Whoa. Pretty cool. Moving along. This is the longest video I've ever done. Whoa! Weird. Alright, moving along. I swear I'll be done soon. Eh. Feedback? Yes, please. Ooh. Alright. There's a lot of sirens outside. Is my building on fire? Wouldn't surprise me, the way this year's gone. More feedback! Yeah! Dude, yeah! Alright, that's annoying. I'm even annoying myself at this point. I think we hit them all. I think we got them all. Anyhow, that's it. I should go home now. So yeah, if you're so inclined, I suggest buy one of these. Hello. And get an effects pedal, man. A lot of fun. Very stupid and useless. Hello. Now batting for the Brooklyn Dodgers. Anyway, that's it. I'm sorry. If you've watched this whole thing, then why? Why? Seriously, why? All right. Take care.